is we have the deflated balloon. And as you can tell, it's very similar to the size of the wiffle ball, and that is because when the balloon is deflated, it's the size of the wiffle ball to keep it in hand. So it's made out of rubber latex. This one was also fairly easy to make, or it wasn't too difficult. Starting off, we did a revolve boss with the radius being 1.5 inches, which adds up to a diameter of 3 inches. And right here we have this little knob and the opening for the balloon, which is 1/4 of an inch. I create an axis that goes straight in the middle of the balloon so that I'm able to use it as my axis of rotation to create the balloon. And then from there, I shelled it, and I shelled this balloon by I believe it's point 0.1 inches, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like hollowed. This is what it looks like hollowed. You can see this. The dotted part is the inner part of this balloon, so it just looks like balloon. The tube would go in here and fill up this with air. So that leads me to the inflate balloon, which is very similar. That's what it looks like. Hollow on this side. I'll get to that in a second. So I also start this one off with a revolve. This one's kind of different. We have a radius of 5, which means the diameter of the balloon should reach 10 inches. This is a little taper on the side to show that how, like, when the balloon inflates, it has a taper. And this is 5.09 inches long. The angle, if you're wondering, is 132 degrees, or to be exact, it's 132.05 degrees wide. And here, the opening of the balloon would be 1.32 inches wide. And so when we would shell this, we shell it by 0.05 from here. And by doing this, we create a thin balloon right here. You can see it's kind of hard to tell. You can see the dotted line showing the inner part of the balloon. The opening is wide because of how much air is filled up to the balloon, creating this huge, large effect right here of the inflated balloon. These are my 5 parts, and my other fellow teammates have the other parts. So thank you for listening.